We are in the heat of summer, and heads up, our higher end property market is starting to see a cool down. As we officially transition through summer, our real estate market is finally feeling a little bit less chaotic, a lot less chaotic actually, and properties on the mid to high end, essentially 500,000 and up, are lingering for several weeks. Hi everyone, my name is Kim Dowling, the broker here at Coastal Luxury Partners. And we've been talking about a transition back to our typical pace for a few months now. I've been talking about how we would see more inventory start to come on the market. And remember when I mentioned that there would be a time that sellers would have to make sure that they were pricing their home correctly? That time is now. In the peak of the spring home buying season, real estate agents and their buyers were frantic every single day, bidding on homes, losing out on bids, no plan B available. And today, now that summer is here, we are seeing the first real signs of a shift. Now it's a slight shift. We still have a tremendous market, and buyers are not going to stop buying at a high impact pace here in Florida for quite some time. But the change is back to less chaos, more inventory, and buyers are pulling back if homes are overpriced. They have more options and they are willing to wait a bit longer. We also are in the middle of summer, and buyers are with their families and friends, happy to return to a life of playtime and summer activities and vacations. There are lots and lots of vacations right now, which is calming down the market a bit. In April and May, if we put a property on the market on a Wednesday, it was under contract at the end of the weekend with multiple offers. Today we have more homes in inventory. Inventory is up 4% month over month and up 11% from last year. The past 2 months have given buyers options, and they are taking more time to make sure that they are finding the perfect home. We seem to have hit a peak in home prices and pace of sales at the end of May and into June, and very quickly seasonally adjusted downward. Pending sales are down and listing inventory is up. Those are the numbers that we are studying. The statistics show us that existing home sales have dropped for the 4th consecutive month, and the number of new listings has increased from May to June and now June to July. We are also up 5.5% from the previous year in inventory, which is great. So all of those homes on the market that are coming back to the market, it's just normalizing a little bit. It's letting our crazy hair on fire market kind of fade away, and we can't keep up the pace that we've been running on. In January, February, March, it was just a rapid fire market. So nothing is wrong. Sellers are still in control. It's just we're getting back a little bit back to normal. So we're still busy. Properties continue to move quickly, even more so in lower price points. But mostly I'm talking about the mid and high-end luxury market is slowing down. It may take 3 or 4 weeks, maybe even 6 weeks to find the right buyer instead of 72 hours. Now everything that's under 400, that's a little bit more of a rapid pace still. We're still moving quickly, and we are still seeing multiple offers. So when you hit the midpoint range of 400 to 700, it's going to take a little bit more time to get your price. And then if you're priced beyond the market value and beyond the comps, you will need some strong marketing and negotiation on your side. We've got a shift, and you will need to give yourself a little more time and price right. That's where we are today. And in the higher end, the higher end of inventory, once you move over $1 million and up, we're not seeing a feeding frenzy that we had for a few months. It's back to strategic marketing and pricing right. Some of the slowdown that we are seeing in the higher end properties is probably due to the fact that we have more properties that have come on the market, and we have even more on the way. During kind of right there in the middle of June, the Wall Street Journal reported new listings priced over 1 million increased 17.5% year over year. Our fastest paced market right now, which is listings below 350,000, that market is even down 7.4%. For those of you that really watch the real estate market, you know that we have a tremendous amount of money in the lower priced inventory from corporate and institutional investors. They are buying up single family rental market as quickly as possible. Investors are snatching them up left and right, so our lower price point is still very, very competitive. It's the higher end that we're adjusting to. And that's what we do here. Your partner agents here at Coastal are ready to win in any and every market. and they will make sure that you have every possible advantage as you look to buy and sell. And when you're ready to sell, price competitively, drive your marketing strategies. It will directly impact your price and everyone will still win. And we are happy to see our neighbors and our communities have fun this summer, going on vacation, joining local events. It's been really nice to see everyone's happy, smiling faces out in the world. I actually think it's time for us here at Coastal to get back to our in-person events with our clients and our friends. So stay tuned and we hope to see you soon.